If you have a bunch of masks and you want to sterilize them, you can do so in the oven. Just make sure they don't touch any metal thing. Preheat the oven at 70 degrees Celsius. That's 160 degrees Fahrenheit. When it reaches 70 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit, put the masks in. Make sure they don't touch any metal parts. Leave them in for 30 minutes. It's now done. They should now be all sterile, and they're still usable. So they haven't glued together or they haven't lost their consistency. The elastic is still good. So that's how you sterilize your mask. Okay, well, hope this helped. Bye.